Hello everybody. So this is the pack opening video from for the holiday 25 collection thingy for Pokemon 2025. So there's Kratos Rift, Temple of Forces, Journey Together, Death and Rebels, and Death and Rebels. So I gotta open it in the order of oldest to newest, if that makes sense to you guys. I'm sorry for that. I'm back. This is saying oldest to newest. So Paradox Rift, Temple of Forces, Journey Together, and Death and Rebels. Let's see what we get. Okay. Alright. Paradox Rift, let's go. Let's see what we're gonna get. Sorry guys, I play the TCG live occasionally, so codes are always nice. Oh, it's been a while since I opened like this. I forgot how uncomfortable it is. Hey, nice. Cool. Gorda and wow, mouse hole, nice. One of the Pokemon that I like from Scarlet and Violet. Nice. Okay, alright. Sleeves right here, Dragon Shield. Oh, nice. Mouse hole is always nice. Cool. Okay, alright. Couple of forces. Alright. Man, that's so easy. The heck? Usually, packs are so annoying to open, you know? Especially new ones, you know? Sorry if I'm not saying the name, because you gotta look at the camera too, you know? But Buffalo is always good. You're playing the card game. Oh, nice. Bianca. Oh my goodness. So far, it's been a hit every single pack. That's nice. That's nice. Alright, Journey Together. That's nice. It always feels good to get a hit, regardless if it's not a big hit, you know? Oh yeah, speaking of Journey Together, it's one of my favorite sets. But I also don't like it too, but you know, every card set, you know, has one. Okay, alright. Nothing in this pack, but it's okay. Alright, next Journey Together pack. Let's go. Alrighty. But I guess I do like Journey Together because it involves trainers. Oh, nothing again. Damn, that was like a duplicate pack, man. But I like Journey Together because it involves trainers and Pokemon in cards again, you know? Because it's been a while. Alright, Death and Rivals. Alright. Let's see what we get. The highest card I got from the hair, just a Typhlosion, Ethan's Typhlosion, the art rare. Alright, nothing there. Alrighty. Alright. Last pack, Magic, Death and Rivals. Oh my goodness! Awesome! This is one of the cards I wanted too. Freaking awesome! Oh yeah. Okay, let's do a recap what my hits. So not too bad. So we got 3 hits out of 6 packs, which is pretty nice. So we got Mouse Hold, we got the Corridor EX, and we got the Team Rocket's Red K. Yes.